In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Word document to an image. Save Word as a picture. Converting a Word page into a standalone image is handy for sharing a clean snapshot of your content, posting it online, or locking down layout and fonts so nothing shifts. I'll walk you through a simple, built-in approach in Word that works well for a single page or a specific section of a document. Start by opening your document in Print Layout view, so you see the page exactly as it will appear. If you want the sharpest result, set your zoom to 100% or fit the full page on screen so you can easily check edges and spacing. It also helps to finalize your page size, margins, and orientation first, because the image will mirror what you have on the page. Next, decide whether you want the entire page or just a section. To capture everything on the page, press Ctrl+A to select all content. If you only need a portion, drag to highlight just that selection. Copy the selection with Ctrl+C. Now you'll turn that selection into a single picture. Go to the Home tab, open the Paste drop-down, choose Paste Special, and select a picture format. PNG is a great choice when you want crisp text and shapes. JPEG is fine for photos or when file size matters more than sharp edges. Word will insert a snapshot of your selection as one image directly on the page. Click that image to select it. Then right-click and choose Save as Picture. Pick a folder, give your file a clear name, and confirm the format, typically PNG for best clarity. Click Save, and Word will export the image file to the location you chose. Open it to confirm everything looks right. Check that no content is cut off and that text remains crisp. If you need multiple pages as images, repeat the same process page by page. Select the content on a page, copy, paste as picture, then save that picture. Working in a duplicate copy of your document can make this easier, so you don't worry about rearranging anything in your original. A couple of quick tips for quality. Before you start, you can temporarily turn off image compression in Word's advanced options if you notice softness in the result, then turn it back on later. Also remember that Word pages have a white background, so your exported image will too. That's it. You've converted Word content into a clean image using only built-in tools. Perfect for consistent sharing anywhere you need it.